This is Dr. Sharma from Colonel's Dental Spa, Bangalore, India. Painless dental treatment has entered a new era with the use of dental lasers. If you are an anxious patient seeking extreme comfort and safety during dental treatment, laser gum treatment is the best option. The advantages of laser treatment are that it is less invasive. There are no sutures, there are no incisions, there is no cutting involved. It is not painful at all. The bleeding is absolutely less. The postoperative healing is very fast. There is no swelling at all. And the patient is very comfortable during the treatment. There is no requirement to use anesthesia in most of the patients. It's an excellent treatment option for children since the injection is not involved and it works very fast. The best option for patients with heart problems, with diabetes, with hypertension, and there is very less chances of any kind of a cross-infection. It is a more predictable treatment option. LANAP is less traumatic and a painless procedure. Incisions and stitches are not necessary, making it very comfortable procedure. It is minimally invasive and the healing is very fast. It is a walk-in procedure. At Colonel's Dental Spa, it is a one-session procedure for us, which does not keep the patient away from work at all. Laser teeth whitening is one of the fast and safe methods to get sparkling white teeth. The results are so astounding that you will not stop flaunting your teeth. We at Colonel's Dental Spa offer the world's best laser treatment options. Laser teeth whitening is done by a dental professional in office. A whitening gel is used on the tooth surface, which has to be whitened. A single tooth, multiple teeth, or the whole arch can be whitened depending upon the requirement of the patient. The laser, through a specialized tip and a delivery system, is projected onto the gel, which accelerates the whitening process. In about 20 minutes time, we at Colonel's Dental Spa can give the patient almost a 1 to 2 shade jump, which is very predictable, and it is absolutely painless. We recommend that the patients, after the laser whitening procedure, discontinue use of tobacco and alcohol and enjoy white teeth for a very, very long time.